I get that a lot.
Yeah.
Nung nakita mo si Sam, ano yung first word? The
Damn.
pop inside.
She said, damn!
First word. Sam. Joke.
Ay!
Sam. Ano? Wala. I thought he was a snob talaga. Yeah.
How was I a snob?
Because you were a snob.
I wasn't a snob.
No, you weren't a snob. I thought you were a snob.
Why would you think I'm a snob?
Because you're being snobbish.
No nga, I'm the most outgoing, very...
That's what you think.
No. Siguro kasi, I'm used to him, like, I've heard na he's like bubbly and everything. Tapos when I saw him, hindi naman, he wasn't that bubbly.
He was dancing.
No, he was quiet lang. So, I thought that he was a snob. Pero hindi naman. Hindi naman. Hindi na kasi. I thought lang.
Thought lang naman.
Yeah.
Ayun.
That impression, that first
Change
impression,
naman
didn't last
over
the
time.
whole day.
So we could see his eyes.
Para daw masabi yung hindi snob si Sam. Ayun. Yan ang ginawa.
Hindi snob si
Speaking
Sam.
of moves. Ayan, ito, move on na tayo. From a question from Amy. Sabi niya, what's the sweetest thing daw na ginawa mo para sa isang girl?
Candy questions talaga. Sweetest thing? Siguro, I sang for a girl.
What song?
What
If
song?
you could remember.
Teach me how to doggy.
So sweet!
She cried pa nga.
Yun lang.
No, yeah. I sang a song and I danced with her. And then she cried. And I was
Doggy dance.
No, but
Eto naman, sabi nila, kinikilig daw ba kayo while doing your kilig scenes? Siyempre,
Mamatay
bilang
na
artista,
mag-deny.
di ba? Oo, bilang artista, parang in character lang kayo. So, yung ibang artists would say, na parang, no, we're just doing our job, in character lang kami. Pero kayo, personally, scenes nyo ni Colleen, kinikilig ba kayo?
you first. I just danced.
Depende sa scene.
Ano yung scene na pinaka-kinilig ka with Sam?
Is kilig the word?
She doesn't get killing. She has a heart of stone.
Siguro, soccer scene.
Yung while
Soccer scene.
yung hula?
Kasi, yeah, naglalaro kasi kami. Tapos we're laughing. Yun.
I get killing it. I get killing easily. No, oh, chika. I get killing easily. Jokes aside. No, I do get killing easily. And, yun yung question about
Ano yung scene na kinilig ka with Colleen?
I like hindi kasi pinakita yun eh.
Ay,
Got
no,
that.
yun! I
Pero
like
our
that
scene,
also! Yung sa cake!
Hindi na nilalam yun.
Sige.
Yung scene na she had a flashback nung na-hospital
Oo,
ako.
yun.
Na flashback na siya naman yung na-hospital when we were still together. Tapos, ayun, namatay ko siya ganyan. Pero nakat kasi yung scene
Nakat siya.
where we were playing around with
Hindi siya kasama sa script.
Tapos,
Tapos parang naguguluhan kami, tapos nilagyan ko siya ng cake dito sa mukha, tapos kinalat tayo yung cake, tapos puro na ng cake.
pero sayang din.
Yeah, I like
That was
that.
really fun.
Yeah.
As we shot that at like 5 a.m. So,
Oh, speaking of mga hindi kasama sa script, kasi before, sa mga chat, we asked yung mga ating chatter, like sila Direk Nico, na mag-spill about sa mga nangyayari sa set and sa GB Crew. And then he said, we asked kung sino yung parang talagang nagkaka-developan. That's the term, nagkaka-developan and sweet talaga sa set. And he answered, it's Sam and Colleen. So, anong masasabi nyo kay Direk Nico na in-spill niya yun? Kasi daw kayo doon yung sweet, kayo doon yung makulit, kayo yung always halos nag-uusap together.
Pechara ng pechara.
yun lang masabi ko din.
Yung beses na gano'n, kasi si Heidi and si Kazel din, when we asked...
Heidi and Kazel?
Heidi and Kazel, including Ken. Kasi
Ken.
tinanong din
Ken.
natin si Ken. Sam and niyo doon na kayo ang ano daw, kayo daw pinakamukulit, hyper, sweet, lagi daw nag-uusap, para daw kayo may sariling mundo. Ano sagot niyo doon?
Anong sagot nila?
Kasi we're alike in that way eh. Pareho kaming makulit eh. Yung iba kasi napapagod ka agad. So habang tulog na lahat ng tao, nakukulitan pa rin kami.
Ako, kunyari lang, di ako napapagod eh. Kasi kawawa naman siya kung mag-isa lang siya, mukha siyang, she look crazy. You know, talking to herself and being makulit on her own. So, kahit nahihirap, kahit sobrang pagod na ako, alam mo, sige na nga, kunyari may energy ako, para hindi ka nakakatawa tingnan. So, yun po talaga yun.
Oh,
Sweet
sweet!
naman.
Kala ko nakakatawa na pero sweet. Diba? Ano, with Colin's craziness. Kahit pagod na siya. Ewan ko kung totoo yan ha, kung ewan ko kung Eto, ang question, ayan, since lagi naman kayong, si Sam, sumasayaw talaga sa Good Vibes, and si Colleen nagsasample-sample ng mga showtime. Ayan, here's a question and a request from Tanya. Sabi niya, if you would dedicate a song for each other, what would it be? Tapos you have to sing it
Ay,
to each other. Sing bigla. Diba?
There's a song na kinakanta ko sa kanya. It's a new song by Chris Brown and the New Boys.
Oh, you're so weird! I
Sing
know, I
that
want
song.
to sing.
Pero ito yung like kong kinakanta.
Ayan, okay.
I don't...
Yeah. You wanna play it? Meron ba nun?
Sure.
Play it.
You're so mean talaga.
And then you have to explain na bakit yun na dinededicate mo kay Colleen.
Wala daw.
Yung chorus, yung girl, you look better with the lights up, better with the lights up. Alam mo yung song yun?
Samahan niya sa akin, no? Sa ganda mo.
Ang ganda ni Colleen yan na
Eh, pero
ganyan
hindi.
na. Tapos,
Hindi talaga, that's the song I sing.
Yeah.
bakit nga explain?
Joke lang.
He gets so mad at him every time he sings it.
Joke lang.
Okay, sing na ng seryosong song na gusto mong i-dedicate ko.
You first, wala pa
Hindi
kami.
wala pa akong isip.
Sige, mag-isip tayo.
Dancing Queen.
No, serious song na.
Yun nga, better with the lights
Para
up.
sweet.
Ano ba? Ano ba song?
Tapos si Karen na dyan, nagsisweet-sweet yung dalawa.
Just the way you are.
Sing mo na sa tayo. Mapagbigyan natin si Tanya.
Yeah. Wala ka just the way.
Just the way you are.
Maganda pag walang sounds. Ako mag-isa mo.
Yeah,
Oh,
kailangan
yeah.
ng support.
Isip sa'yo.
Talaga? O pag, when she has something na, kasi
Mag-isip ka na.
I can't.
mamaya I sing something tapos
Unrequited, no?
unrequited. So, sayang.
Ano yan? Safe? Pa-safe? Kailangan? Alam mo yun?
Ayaw, kasi
Parang may,
Diba?
mamaya baka ako lang eh. Knowing her, she won't do anything.
Dali na. Habang kumakanta ka, maisip yun eh. Kumanta.
Come on. Everybody now.
Ano ba yan?
I can't think of one. I'm so bad.
Ayun.
Sing.
I'm not gonna sing for it if she has it.
Oh.
It's unfair. But it's playing naman eh.
Kahit na. Mabilis ako yung si Tanya, oh. Bawa naman si Tanya na nag-effort mag-type.
Bayad ng 20 pesos per hour.
Diba?
Go, sing.
Sa computer, ano?
Oo.
She's asking me to help her find a song for myself. Sige, I'll help you. Sing.
Beautiful soul.
Just the way you are. I'll change na lang my song.
Meron ako liglig dito. Ano ba?
Oo nga. Matagal na. Go. Ako I have a song.
Ako, tama na muna siya, tapos may isip na niya yan.
Go, sing na lang just the way you are.
Beautiful soul na lang ako.
Oh, game. Oh, just the way you are, Kasa.
Hindi nga, ayoko na ano eh. Gusto ko that song.
He wants that song for
Yeah.
himself.
How does it go again? Go, the song.
Just go. It's it was your time to
Okay,
shine.
okay.
Okay. Hi. Okay, not ready. You first.
Oh, you first. You first. Staring contest.
Go.
You
Who's going first?
Sam, you.
Yeah.
Mm.
Fine. When I see your face, don't laugh at me. There's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Now it's Lee's turn.
I can't sing for. I can't sing
Go.
to save my life. How is it?
Dahil mo, yun ang song.
I have nga, Beautiful Soul.
I have another one. Baby, you're mine. You're mine. Have to na.
Una.
Okay. How does it sound?
I'm so shy.
I don't sing it.
Don't shy.
Kaya. I don't. Sige. High school.
Okay, now, ngayon, naiintindihan niyo na po kung bakit kailangan niya ng may kasamang tumatawa. Kasi tumatawa siya mag-isa. Yun po.
Okay, sing na.
I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold.
I sang 4.
I don't want my love to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. Okay.
I thought you like yun. I want you and your beautiful soul.
Okay.
Right, you like
Watch
mo
it.
yan.
Okay.
How can I see? I can't hear.
I want you and your beautiful soul.
That's what it's saying.
Ayan,
Thank you.
guys,
What's your
dito
name?
kayo.
Tanya. Thank you, Tanya.
Thank you, Tanya. Thank you. Katulad na ating text promo ngayon si Rizalyn. Makikita mong ka-cheesyhan itong dalawang ito.
So cheesy.
Ayan, moving on with Sam Dean. Question, sabi niya, what are the things daw na gustong-gusto niyong ginagawa ng magkasama? Like kayo ng dalawa.
Away. What ba? Eat.
Eat and eat and eat.
Yeah, eat.
Any favorite
Right.
restaurant or place na lagi niyo pinupunta?
Jollibee.
Hindi na makalas. Hindi sa
Burger niya eh.
siya dyan.
This kasi.
Jollibee, yes. Sige.
Jollibee hamburger.
Yes.
I like Japanese ako na favorite food
100%
mo.
real beef, cheese, and
Bun.
dress.
Japanese food.
I am young.
Japanese
I am Pinoy.
Tama.
I am young.
Kabisado. Pero bakit dyan ang lahat?
Tama.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ayan, si Kunin naman, bigyan natin siya
What?
ng chance
What's
na
your, no?
Japanese food.
Yeah, Japanese food.
Like, and pizza. Lots and lots and lots.
And pizza. And
Lots of
pasta.
pizza.
I love Italian food.
And ice cream. And ice cream. And yogurt.
Yeah.
And ice cream and yogurt.
Ayan. Ito naman, sabi ganun, for Sam daw, if you would take a girl on a date, how would your date go and where would you take her? Ayan. Kunwari si Pauline, ito-date niya.
Mm.
O, paano yung date niyo? Simula umaga hanggang gabi. Or tipong gabi hanggang sa the end of the night. Ang gagawin mo siya, yung itinerary mo.
Itinerary.
Paano yun? Susundin mo ba siya? Or do you meet up somewhere?
Mga 3:30.
Yan.
Mga 3:30 to 3:45 less muna.
Ganon, or pupunta ka ba sa
And then,
outside?
4:30 to 5, siesta time. And then, resume 6 o'clock.
Class schedule.
After yun, resume kami 6 o'clock.
Happy ending.
Summer camp. 6 o'clock.
Summer camp day.